Many birds have become extinct over the years, some of them due to natural causes and others due to human activities. It's important to help stop these extinctions of biodiversity, and here in Zaragoza, many plans for the protection and regulation of species have been carried out. Protected birds in Aragon are the verde bolso, Lesa kestrel, capercaillie and Bonelli's eagle. But it's not all bad news. There are also many birds that like to live with humans in Zaragoza. Some examples are magpies, house sparrows and chickadees.
In spring, Zaragoza is full of life and joy. On the banks of the Ebro, you can see not only common birds like ducks, but also magpies. The magpie is an urban bird. They are adaptable birds and can survive in different environments. Magpies are abundant in Zaragoza. Their size is a little bit bigger than a pigeon. The best-known species, often called the black-billed magpie, pica pica. Their jackdaw is completely black. They have a long tail and striking white spots, both on the belly and on the tips of the wings. The magpie eats insects, seeds, fruits, small birds' eggs and chicks. They are known to scavenge human food scraps, particularly in urban areas where they may visit gardens or garbage bins. The magpie nests in trees. It makes a large round nest of twigs cemented with mud. Their voice is harsh and musical, however, they use a variety of calls to communicate with each other. They can send different messages through vocalizations and body language. Magpies are considered to be highly intelligent birds. They can figure out how to access food from difficult-to-reach places and even use tools. They can remember the locations of food caches they have hidden.
The house sparrow is a curious and intelligent bird. It is gregarious. It lives in places inhabited by people and is a bird native to Europe, so it's very well adapted to the environment in which it lives and is one of the most widespread birds on the planet. The sparrow lives about 7 years. Sparrows are genetically adapted to pollution. It depends on human activities to survive. It prefers to live in big cities rather than small villages. It feeds on seeds, fruits, insects. The bird is very communicative. It uses different sounds to communicate. A study has been carried out at Macquarie University that compares the genomic data of sparrows in contaminated areas with that of other sparrows elsewhere. With this study, it's known that sparrows genetically adapt to pollution, although 12 genetic variants have been found in these birds.
The chickadee is a small and colorful bird combining various shades. The head of this bird is black, but with 2 large white spots on the cheeks. The beak is small and gray. The body is yellow. The dorsal area is olive green with blue-gray wings and tail. You can see chickadees on trees in the parks, gardens, balconies, and terraces. The chickadees eat a lot of caterpillars, spiders, flies, mosquitoes, wasps, etc. In early spring, late March, or beginning of April, the chickadees usually start making a nest in the holes of trees or in the rocks holes. The female is in charge of making a nest, using materials such as moss, small roots, hair, wool, and small feathers. The male helps her to collect everything she needs. Once finished, the female will lay 6 to 8 eggs. The incubation period for them is around 2 weeks. When new chicks are born, they will be fed by both parents, mainly based on caterpillars. The young birds can fly and leave the nest, although they will be dependent on their parents until their 6th or 7th week of life.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and we encourage you to stop sometimes to look at the sky and enjoy the birds that make life more beautiful.